Peace, y'all. Hey, I'm Ivory. I'm a black girl and my name is Ivory. It's as simple as that. But I'm back and it's time to eat again. And today I made some barbecue jerk chicken. So this is the barbecue sauce that I use, some sweet and spicy Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce. And I use jerk seasoning, Caribbean jerk seasoning to season the jerk chicken. I put some underneath the skin, I put some on top of the skin, and I cooked this chicken for about 4.5, 5 hours, y'all. Right here I have some leftover salmon and shrimp Alfredo from yesterday, and we all know that leftovers are always better. Anyway, so I also have some grilled zucchini that I grilled on my George Foreman grill, and you can see the little grill marks. Let's see. Ooh la la. And I have some Jack Daniel's drinks today. And I think I'm gonna go with the Downtown Punch. See there, right there. I have some plain lemon water today. I already squeezed the lemon on top of the ice. Cheers! And a special toast to all 1,502 peaceful friends. I love y'all. I really appreciate y'all. It's a celebration. Ooh, that's good. 1,500 people, that's a lot of people. I still remember when it was just a couple of us over here. I love y'all. And shout out to the people who are still here from the beginning. Thank y'all. Big hard hands. Okay, let's get into this food. I am so thankful for this food. I'm gonna start with some pasta. Oh, I got a fruit cup. Fresh fruit. Strawberries, green grapes, and blackberries. Y'all want some more pasta? That's all pasta right there. Want some salmon? All right. Oop. Came right on off the bone. Yeah. Whew. I ain't that Jack Daniel's seasoning. I mean, that Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce is good. And then I'm getting the spice from the jerk seasoning. Damn. Y'all. Ooh, this chicken is so tender. There's some chicken with a zucchini. This was a whole chicken. Then I baked for hours. But I cut it up after about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And then I cut it up. So I do have the chicken on. I'm gonna flip it over. Pass that sauce over. But I try not to eat chicken skin. I try. It's so good. Here's a wing right here. Ooh. Y'all. No. It's good. It was you. And my sleeve's not short, y'all. It's just because I'm holding my arm up. Make it look like I got hot water sleeves. I cleaned this chicken good too, y'all. I cleaned it and I trimmed it. Ooh, this is good. That slow bake gets me every time, y'all. Every time. Ooh. Damn. Oh. This food is good. It is. I wish I could share. I do. I really do. Holding it up to the camera is just not gonna suffice. I need y'all to come get your to-go box and come on. Dang, that Jack Daniels barbecue sauce is good. I seasoned the chicken with the Caribbean jerk seasoning, but I also used garlic powder, black pepper, and I don't think I used any salt. I didn't use any salt. Didn't need any because it's already in the jerk seasoning. It's some good vegan lip gloss. It stays on for the most part. It was expensive, but it's vegan because I know I always end up eating my lip gloss. When I eat food, with the gloss on, it just naturally gets in my mouth. And I want to make sure I'm not eating some no foreign products. Mmm. That is good. Mm-hmm. That thigh meat is so tender. Mm-hmm. I had a thigh, a leg, a wing, and then I do a little bit of this breast right here and save the rest for later. So I guess technically I'm eating a half a chicken. Mm-hmm. Yep. Good too. I'm sure you. I'm tired of sucking the barbecue sauce off my fingers, so I'm gonna use my fork. It's damn good. The zucchini too. Grilled fresh zucchini. I cut up 2 medium-sized zucchini. Put a little salt and a lot of black pepper. Good. Always good. Piece of shrimp. Yeah, I have enjoyed this little meal right here. I did. Ooh, oh yes. It's good right there. It's cold too. Ooh. So, did y'all hear about the 2 cheerleaders that got pop out in Texas a couple days ago? Or yesterday? Y'all know we talk about these current events. We analyze this mess because it helps us. And this situation right here, this girl made a careless mistake. But to an extent, it's something that, you know, a lot of us have done before. As far as mistaking your car for somebody else's car. Or, you know, you might be coming up out the Walgreens and it's a car that is the same color as your car, same type of car, and parked in the same area where you remembered, you know, you parked on the left side somewhere. So you start walking over there and you might say, oh dang, that ain't my car, but it looked like it at first, right? So to a certain degree, it's an understandable mistake to make. Except she was big time careless because she actually got into the wrong car. And there was a whole man in there. That's a big mistake. Oh, that's a big ass mistake right there. So she either was not paying attention, she was distracted by something, because it only takes a few seconds for you to realize that you're approaching the wrong car. Usually as you're getting closer and closer to it, you're like, oh snap, that ain't me. You realize it's not your vehicle. This girl actually opened the door, got into the car. I'm like, she clearly wasn't looking if she didn't see it was a whole person in there. She clearly wasn't looking if she didn't see it was a whole human in the damn car. She was supposed to see that through the window, unless it was blackout tint. Either way it go, this situation with this girl, and I'm pushing peace to her, yes I am, because it hits home a little bit for me, because I was a cheerleader for years. And this girl is a competitive cheerleader. Trying to go to Baylor to be on the tumbling team. I think that she has a scholarship actually to be on the Baylor tumbling team. She is an all-star athlete in her city. And she was cheering for like a cheer company in the city, not necessarily a high school. But she was a star athlete. And these people devastated. But number one, thank God she did not pass on. She didn't lose her life. She didn't. But, you know, she gets to take a lesson away from this. Even though I think that the story that was told to the police, I think that, I don't know. Like, I don't know if she was really just that damn careless. When I first heard the story, at first I was just like, oh, they leaving details out. I felt like it was more to it, because she mistakes the vehicle for her own, gets in it, realizes it's the wrong car, gets out, gets into the car she's supposed to be getting in, right? But then this man gets out of that car, comes up to, it was her and I think one or two other cheerleaders, and he started pow pow, pow 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 on the damn cheerleaders. Young, small kids, essentially. Not big, ferocious beasts, big gangster girls. They were just little cheerleaders. And I'm like, he felt that much of a threat that he had to open fire on them. A part of me feels like they leaving some details out. They're leaving something out. I think that girl snapped off. She probably went off verbally. Her and the friend in the car. They probably started going off when he was just like, yo, what the fuck are you doing? Like, and she's like, well, my bad. I'm sorry. Wrong car. Sorry. And then it probably turned into a verbal altercation. Because that's what the police said anyway. According to the news. They said that the pow pow happened as a result of an altercation. It could have just been the mix up about the, you know, wrong car thing. But I'm like, I'm trying to give this man the benefit of the doubt and think, like, did he feel some type of real threat to power the damn cheerleaders? Either way it go, let this be a lesson for us. Like, we gonna take from this and start paying attention more. We gotta pay attention, y'all. We gotta pay attention, because these crazies are on the loose. I don't really think there is a justifiable reason for why he chose to pow pow some young girls. And he's a 25-year-old man, Pedro. But I'm like, why? Like, why you shoot the girls? stay on your toes when you leave your house. Because you're safe at home. Well, you should be safe at home. But when you walk out there and you go amongst the public, there are good people who are thriving and peaceful. There are people who are simple, you know, just stay out the way. And then you got them psychos. They ready to turn up for any reason or no reason. One wrong move, and you can mess it up for yourself and the next person. Cause that other girl, the other cheerleader, she ain't have a damn thing to do with this. Originally, according to what was said on the news, the other girl, she ain't have anything to do with this. She was where she was supposed to be. It was Ditsy who got into the wrong damn car, allegedly. And I'm not saying she's ditzy like she's dumb or That's a ditzy, careless mistake to be so distracted that you get into a whole vehicle with a person in it. She didn't just pull the door handle and say, oh snap, wrong car. She opened the door, put her cheeks in the seat, and then realized she in the wrong car. And it's a whole person in there. I want to say it could have been worse, but it really don't get no worse than getting pow. Y'all be careful. I forgot to show y'all the fruit bowl when it was full. My bad. But y'all be careful. Be careful out here. Stay on your toes. You gotta be careful. And this girl right here, according to the news, she only has one lung. So it's like to be a thriving all-star athlete with a whole disability, the enemy trying to take her out. The enemy trying to take her out. So she need to take this as a wake-up call. Because she didn't lose her life. I think she in ICU. But she is expected to make a full recovery. And she's supposed to be going to Baylor in the fall. I'm hoping for that for her. I'm meditating for that for her. Because this woman has a beautiful story to tell. She done made it through a lot so far. But she got to tighten up. She got to tighten up and be more careful. And we all gonna learn from her careless mistake. Be careful. Stop putting in both headphones all the time. Trying to blast your music all loud. Turn it down a little bit. Put it in one ear while you're out there exercising or getting your groceries. Stop being on the phone all the damn time. Y'all, and I'm talking to myself. I'm looking at this damn camera and I'm talking to y'all, but I'm talking to me too. Like sometimes I will find myself being distracted when I'm out and about. I ain't saying you gotta be all serious. Focused and serious. Play it cool. And make sure your intuition is on alert at all times. Be aware of your surroundings. I can't tell y'all enough. Get them toxic people about your life and keep them out your life. Because stress can be a distraction too. Stay focused. Because the crazies is out here. And they too lit to quit. But I love y'all. I do. I love y'all. And I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow. Y'all be careful. I'm pushing peace. I am. I'm pushing peace to y'all. And I'm encouraging you to make sure that you stay focused, okay? It don't mean you can't have fun. Pay attention when you're out there. That's all. I love y'all. Ooh, I'm gonna take this on my patio. This is good too. It's good. I'm just a lightweight, light drinker. I don't need a whole lot. Peace out.